Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another swap share. So this is one of the kits that I made for my swap partner. I found this in my stash. It's a older Tim Holtz Sizzix die, and it's kind of cute because it looks like a present, and you can just, it makes a pocket here, and then you can cut out all the accessories, and then this gift card actually goes in there. So when you pull it up, it's that's where the gift card will be. So I did cut 4 kits. So I thought let me just kind of show you. So when you bend this, you'll make the little pocket, which I thought this paper was super cute. This is from that gingerbread collection. And then this is the inside piece. They actually give you another strip, a die here that you can add there, but I didn't want it to be all red because the bow is red. So I figure, see, that's where the gift card will go. So I figure I'll just stick the red bow there, or my partner will. And then you can get this strip and then add it here so it looks like the gift. Look how cute that is. So I made, like I said, 4 sets. So that's one. This one will look like this. Sorry. It's hard when, I don't want to bend it too much, but I want to show you what it'll look like. It'll be like that. My partner likes, I think she likes bling, so I tried to make it blingy. And here's the buffalo. That's why I have the glitter paper. And then this is it's more like a hibiscus. I mean, not hibiscus, poinsettia. So it'll look like that. Okay. All right. Well, I just wanted to share that as one of the gifts that I made, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey everyone, I'm back. Okay, so this is the packaging now for the gift card kits that I made. So it's nothing special. I just added in the laminated sheet in the back. I put the 4 because they're small, so I just stuck all 4 of them together. The bows are inside, tucked inside, that coordinate with each of the sets. And then this one I just hot glued on one of the Christmas bows that I had made earlier for Christmas in July. I didn't think about putting it on the paper clip on this one, so in a different video I'll show you how I did that. But look for that if you're interested in doing that so that your partner can reuse the bow if they want to. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.